Hi there and welcome to this week's Life School. Today what we'll be learning is how to use tapping to deal with anxiety. You can use it for anxiety, overwhelm, stress, even depression if you want to just use those particular words and the things that you are feeling while you are tapping. So all you need to do right now is relax, get your magic fingers ready, and we will start tapping on our pressure points to relieve you of some of these feelings that you have. So I'm going to use the word anxiety. If you have stress, depression, overwhelm, whatever else is going on, you can use that word instead of anxiety. But for now, I'll use anxiety. So I'm going to get you to tap on your karate chop point and just repeat after me. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Great. Okay, now let's get into tapping on the other pressure points. So start up here and just say, I have anxiety. 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 I'll do it one more time. I have anxiety. I have anxiety. Take a nice deep breath as you go. I have anxiety. 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 Take 2 deep breaths and blow out the anxiety. You ready? Okay, hopefully you should be feeling a little bit better. So let's do another 2 rounds. Now you could be using the words I have anxiety, or you could just simply say I'm feeling anxious. So I'm going to use I'm feeling anxious now. If you want to use that, you can. If you want to use I have anxiety, whatever one feels more true for you, you can use. So start again, and I'm just going to say feeling anxious. 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 One more time. Feeling anxious. Feeling anxious. feeling anxious, 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 feeling anxious. Take 2 deep breaths. Okay, just keep doing this video, keep tapping on those points and saying whatever feels true for you. And eventually you'll start to feel a lot better. If you have thoughts popping up during that time about something completely unrelated to feeling anxious, it is actually the thing that's causing your anxiety. So tap into that, and if it's something that you also want to get rid of, you just use those words and then tap on that as well. But if you really want to help to control your anxiety, the anxiety is there for a reason. It is what I call the alarm bell that is there helping you to find out more about yourself. So don't try and ignore it. Tap on it to help your body deal with it. But if you want to look into it further, there is definitely a message and a sign around anxiety for you. Reach out at any time, pop some comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time in another video. And if you would like me to do a video on anything, please also message me or pop below. And also I'd love if you wanted to share any of this to any of your friends or family who would benefit from it as well. See you next time. Take care. Bye.